During the 9 days before Christmas, Catholics in the Philippines regularly attend Simbang Gabi, which is a series of masses that take place late in the evening or before sunrise. Many churches put extra monoblock chairs outside because not all the worshippers would fit inside. More and more people keep on flocking the church even after the mass has long started. For more information, visit us at www.megacitizens.com.
May maganda bagong labas sa Vans Market kanina. Yung pang cyber na naman. Oh, pero diba, sa tulis, hindi ko dapat ikasa ko yung sarap. Madala ko lang. Wala pa. Wala pa.